Panalo ang title contenders na Converge Fiberexters at Meralco Bolts sa kanilang mga laban kagabi sa Season 49 PBA Commissioner's Cup. Ang kabuang detalye sa ulat ni teammate Rafael Bandayrel.
Balik winners column ang Converge Fiberexers matapos talunin ng Magnolia Hotshots 93-91 sa kanilang bakbakang idinao sa Inares Center Antipolo kagabi. Sumandalang Fiberexers sa pinagsamang puwersa nina Alex Stockton at Justin Arana upang makabalik mula sa 20 puntos na pagkakatambak. Gumawa ng 24 points at 7 rebounds si Arana na dinagdagan pa ni Stockton ng 18 markers.
Regardless of what we go through, we just want to give back to our bosses because whether we win or we lose, they don't give up on us. So we just want to give back to them towards their generosity to us. So every game we want to just keep fighting, keep giving everything that we have. And with this game, we were down by 20, and credit to them, they're a very special team, and we just did it back down.
Sa ikalawang laro naman ng doubleheader, pinataob ng Meralco Bolts ang Rain or Shine Elasto Painters 121-111. Team effort ang ipinamalas ng Meralco matapos umiscore ni Chris Newsome ng 25 points na dinagdagan pa ni Bong Quinto ng 20 markers, habang 16 naman ang ambag ni Jansen Rios.
Obviously, Nu, Bong are the usual suspects here, but even si Jansen played well, Raymond played well. We needed those guys to step up because kulang nga kami, diba? We have 5 guys missing.
Kasunod ng mga laro nitong weekend, umangat ang kartada ng Meralco sa 2 wins with no losses, habang mabante rin ang record ng Converge, hawak ang 2 victories and 1 loss. Rafael Bandayrel para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.